Welcome to Trendy Unboxing.
We are going to see review of Maggie Rich Tomato Ketchup.
But before purchasing any product, one should get knowledge about the product. If it is safe for my family, is it a healthy option? And is it a vegetarian product if you are a vegetarian? Top of this, will it give justice to my money for product which I am purchasing right now or I'll regret after buying the product? So, the answers of all these questions you will get on this channel. So, friends, whom you are waiting for, just hit subscribe button. So, without wasting time, let's start. The bottle of Maggi Tomato Ketchup. This ketchup comes in a glass bottle. The cap of this bottle is plastic one. You will get masala-e-magic on purchase of this bottle, which is costing rupees 50. You will get absolutely free. Here, they have given nutritional information about the product. We all know that Maggi is a product of Nestlé. If you have any query about the product, then you can write to them. They have given address along with the email ID. Down on the packaging, you will also able to see the name of the product, that is Maggi Rich Tomato Ketchup. The net content of this product is 1 kg. Above that, you will able to see green dot. It says that ingredients used are obtained from vegetarian source only. Here, you will able to see that this product is manufactured at Ludhiana Firozpur Road, and they got the license number. And the second address is village Maulingam North, Bicholim Taluka. And even they have mentioned their license number. This product is manufactured by Nestlé India Limited. And the ingredients used in this product are water, sugar, tomato paste, iodized salt, acidity regulator, thickness, dehydrated onions, mixed spices, dried garlic and preservative. It contains permitted class 2 preservative. It may contain cashew nut and milk solid. It should store in a cool, dry and hygienic place. And once you have opened this product, keep the neck clean and close the cap immediately after use. You can even refrigerate this product at 3 to 8 degrees Celsius after opening, and you have to use within 3 months. And it's best before 12 months from the date of manufacturing. Cost of this product is rupees 147. And here they have given the manufacturing date of this product. If you want to speak about the packaging, then they have done excellent packaging. You can reuse this bottle by washing it nicely, sun dry it properly, and you can store grains in this bottle. Once it is finished, you can see how I have made use of this bottle which I had purchased previously. So you can store any grains whichever you want, like this, which is a very good option if we compare it to plastic one. The taste of ketchup is very good and it goes very well with onion, pakodas, vada, french fries, burgers, cutlet, pizza and pasta. Only thing is that they have used preservatives. And secondly, you have to handle this bottle very carefully as it is made of glass bottle. This ketchup tastes better than any other ketchups. The combination of sweet and sour taste makes your food taste amazing. You can make out that how much I'm crazy about this product. I have consumed this product this much. So you can make out how much tasty it is. Now let's speak about the pros and cons of this product. First, let us speak about pros. It's thicker in consistency, goes very well with pakoras, vada, french fries, burger, cutlet, pizza, pasta, bread. Even you can have this sauce with rice, sabzi and sandwiches. quality and taste wise very good. You can reuse the bottle for storing grains, pulses. It cuts down your cholesterol level. Now let's speak about the cons. May not good for non-spicy lovers. It has added preservatives and thickening agent to make the sauce thick. Natural flavors are less. That's all in this video, guys. Do let me know your views in the comment section below, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.